Welcome guys. This is Samsung A16 model. Eject SIM tray from the phone. Remove back cover of the phone. Do not damage fingerprint scanner flex while removing the back cover. Camera lens. Remove fingerprint scanner flex connector. Remove screw. Remove protection cover. Disconnect battery connector. Disconnect LCD sub flex connectors. Remove all screw. Remove protection cover. Remove LCD sub flex. Free to LCD flex from the charging board. Disconnect battery connector. Disconnect LCD sub flex connectors. Pull up tape and remove battery as showing in the video. Install battery in the body. Connect battery connector to the main board. Connect LCD sub flex connectors. Install protection cover on the main board. Put back all the screw. Connect fingerprint scanner flex connector. Install back cover of the phone with camera lens. Insert SIM tray in the phone. Must use rubber bands for good fitting. Remove rubber bands after 2 hours. Thank you for watching.